friends, I have a very simple and easy barbecue baked bean recipe for you today. As always, I will have your ingredients listed below. So we're gonna get started. So I have a pan that I have heated, and I have cut my bacon into strips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook the bacon a little. I don't want to cook it all the way done, but I do want to cook it down to render some of the fat because I don't want a whole lot of oil in my baked beans. So that's one of the reasons why I'm frying it. But you know, old school way, my grandmama and my grandmother way she made it, and my mother, they would just put the bacon on top. So you can always do that as well if you don't mind the extra fat, but as you see in this pan, it's a lot of fat. So anyway, I'm going to take it out about right now and put it on a paper towel and then add it to the beans as we go along. I'll show you all the steps. So anyway, I've added in some onion, and then I'm gonna add in my bell pepper Trinity. And I'm going to saute this a little bit in the pan. I also wanted to I don't want to cook it all the way either. I just want to cook it a little bit so that it doesn't take that long to break down or add to the dish, so it doesn't have to be in the oven that long. So I've added the peppers. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper to also help soften those vegetables. So I'm going to be pulling those out shortly and putting those in a dish as well. And then we're gonna start combining everything to make this wonderful baked beans, you guys. This dish is like super easy and it's so delicious. So, you know, if you like baked beans, this is it. But, you know, I made a small batch because it's just me and my mom, my daughter, and her family don't really like baked beans, so it's just me and my mom gonna be eating these. So anyway, here I have added in my baked beans, and I like Bush's baked beans, but you know, you can always pick whatever baked beans is great for you and your family. It's up to you. You're the king or the queen of your castle, so get the baked beans that you like. So anyway, you've seen I've added the bacon in. Now I'm adding in all of those vegetables. I'm adding in some barbecue sauce. Next, I'm going to be adding in some ketchup, some mustard, and I'm going to be adding in some brown sugar. I'm going to be adding in some worcestershire, some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to be adding in a little bit of liquid smoke because I wanted to have that barbecue flavor because I didn't put it on the grill. Which if you put it on the grill, you don't need to add that liquid smoke. I'm just adding in a little bit of that smoky flavor. Next, I'm going to be adding in a little bit of smoked paprika, and I'm also going to be adding some garlic powder, some salt, some pepper, and I also do a little dash of cinnamon. Now, you won't be able to taste the cinnamon. It's just helps my mom out when it comes to the acidity in ketchup and things like that. It kind of gives a little acid reflux, so it helps with breaking that down so it's not as acidic. So anyways, I just tasted it, and I think I forgot my salt, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this, and I'm going to stir to combine, and I'm going to put it all in a wonderful baking dish. You guys, what I didn't do, I'm gonna tell you now, is I didn't show you actually what the beans look like I showed you what they look like when they came out the oven. But I should have, you know, really put them on a spoon so you guys can see how beautiful they are. But I mean, they turn out just as beautiful if I would have did a spoon or not, as they are uncooked or unbaked. They still look the same way, so I don't think it really matters. But anyway, I wanted to tell you guys that. And so if you have not given your girl a thumbs up, go ahead and hit that button right now to give me a thumbs up. And here are the baked beans, you guys. They are done. They are so delicious, you guys. You have to make this recipe. I want to thank you for watching, and enjoy. Click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.